back here through Carpenter, and Umberger going to make contact. Caution flag going to come out.
And then out of the outside, in the number 24 out of Lancaster, Kentucky, in the 24G, it's Kason Gibson. Green flag waves on a very new series. First time ever here at the Lake Cumberland Speedway. The Mini All-Stars, the future of our sport. And we have 7 of them that made the drive, most of them from the state of West Virginia. So big West Virginia support. But it looks like our future is in good hands. 20.436 for Kason Gibson. 20.436. Stephen Lusher goes to 22.035. And Corbin Kincaid goes to 23.313. Checker flag waves. On group number 2 for the mini wedges. This may be the biggest track they've ever raced on. Okay. Well, Joseph just informed me they race on Natural Bridge. So, second biggest track. Let's go with that. Cumberland Plateau Open Wheel Modifieds. You're needed to staging. Mini All-Stars under green. Green flag is out. Kinzer Norman comes in second with a 21.940. 21.940. Lap number 2 for Norman. 22.060. So he'll stand on lap number 1 with a 21.940. 21.940. Checker flag waves. I want everybody in the stands clapping, cheering as loud as you can. These young kids are going to go 5 laps around the 3/8 mile speed plant here at the Lake Cumberland Speedway for our first race of the year. Lake Cumberland Speedway, on your feet. We want you to cheer the kids for 5 laps. Everybody up. On your feet. This is the kids' first race here in the Bluegrass State. We're set to turn them green off turn number 4. Green flag is out, and we are racing. Everybody cheer them on for 5 laps. We're racing down into turn number 3 and 4 for lap number 1. For the Mini All-Stars, who's going to lead lap number 1? Lap number 1 goes to Kason Gibson, and Kaiser Norman was in second. Stephen Lusher in third. Gibson opening up his lead down the backstretch here at the Bad Fast Lake Cumberland Speedway. Into turn number 3. Keep cheering. Keep cheering. This is the future of our sport. Lap number 2 goes to Gibson. Norman in second. Lusher in third. Side by side at the line. Who's it going to be into turn number 1 and 2? Give it to the 10 of Hasey Simmons. 3 laps down. 2 remaining. Next time by will be the white flag. White flag is out for Kason Gibson into turn number 1. 1 lap to go. Down the backstretch, into turn number 3, off of turn number 4. Ladies and gentlemen, give him a hand. Kason Gibson in second. Kaiser Norman in third. Stephen Lusher. Checker flag waves. Ladies and gentlemen, give the kids a hand. Thank you guys for coming out. This is the future of our sport. This is the future of our sport, and it's fun to watch them make their first laps, especially on a big track like the Lake Cumberland Speedway. Thank you guys, kiddos. Up next is time trial qualifications. Out of Lancaster, Kentucky, climbing up out of the cart, ladies and gentlemen, give them a hand, Kason Gibson. One more time, out of Lancaster, Kentucky, Kason Gibson. Up next, time trial qualifications for the Save-A-Lot American All-Stars, presented by PPM. BAHR Fabrication, time trial qualifications up next. Ladies and gentlemen, while we got it downtime, we're pulling the late models to the infield. Want to remind everybody, Saturday, May 9th, the Cornette Race Engines Super Late Models are coming for the Spring Nationals. Saturday night, May 9th, here at the Lake Cumberland Speedway. The Super Late Models will be here for the Spring Nationals.